Guys, please check your audio and video settings, please. Is everything okay? Yeah. Other day I was talking about which design pattern, guys? FlyWeight design pattern. Come on. FlyWeight. That means reduce the weight, remove the weight. That's the basic meaning of FlyWeight design pattern or not? 614, guys. Done. Yeah, what it says, guys? Use sharing to support large number of fine-grained objects efficiently. Array, don't create unnecessarily object for unnecessarily class. Create a necessary object for necessary class and keep in the cache and try to share for multiple utilization. Try to share as needed, right? Try to share as needed. Understanding my statement, boss? Yeah. But for that one, what should I do? First one, when you decide the state of the class, try to identify what is intrinsic state, what is extrinsic state. Intrinsic state means common for all. Intrinsic state means what? Common for all, guys. Extrinsic state means what? Can be passed from outside from according to the client requirement. Label for circle is the same for all circles, but radius for each circle is different. Fill color for each circle is different. Line style for each circle is different. What do you say, guys? Line style for each circle is different. Are you getting my point here, guys? Right. Other day we have seriously noticed the problem part, guys. Did you realize the problem part? I hope everyone realized the problem part, guys, other day. Yes, boss. Yeah. Shall we go for designing now? Solution. Let's concentrate on solution part, guys. Okay. What is the solution part, my dear? File, save as, design pattern 614. 614. Where is this? 7th February 2022. FlyWeight DP, guys. What DP, guys? FlyWeight DP. FlyWeight DP, boss. Yes, boss. Solution. Implement factory class with the caching logic to create object for each concrete class and to reuse that object by keeping in the cache. By keeping in cache or buffer memory. By keeping in cache or what? Buffer memory. This is nothing but FlyWeight pattern. Remove the weight, guys. That is nothing but FlyWeight pattern. Okay, where is this? NTDP 614, boss. NTDP 614. Yes, boss. Yeah. FlyWeight solution, guys. FlyWeight solution. FlyWeight DP solution. SRC, guys. Yes. This is my shape.java. This is my shape.java. This remains as it is. See what I have done? ARGS0. What is that? ARGS0. What do you mean by ARGS0? Parameter is not fixed, guys. In case of circle, it will become radius. In case of what? Square, it becomes side length. In case of this one, it becomes side length. Understanding my statement, guys? It becomes side length. Understanding my statement? Okay. Square.java, shape.java. Okay. Shape is interface. Square.java and circle.java. Came or not came, boss? Definitely came, boss. Okay. This is, we identified what is intrinsic property, what is extrinsic. So already in the problem code itself, we have decided intrinsic property and extrinsic property. Come on. While implementing flyweight design pattern, what are the 4 points that we have to concentrate, guys? These are the 4 things that we have to focus. Before applying flyweight pattern, we need to consider following factors. The number of objects to be created by the application should be used. More circles we draw, more objects for circle class. More rectangles we draw, more objects for rectangle class. More squares we draw, more objects for what? More objects for that class, guys. Understanding my statement, guys? Right? Should be used. Consuming too. The object creation is heavy on memory and it can be time consuming too. The object properties can be divided into intrinsic and extrinsic property. Shareable are intrinsic, non-shareable are extrinsic. Come on. Extrinsic properties of an object should be defined by client program. They should be given by client, guys. Okay, already circle. There will be one circle, a lot of circles if I develop the paint application. Definitely there should be a lot of circle, guys. So that means number of objects that I would like to create is huge or not. Number of objects that I would like to create is definitely huge, no doubt in that. Number of objects that I would like to create is definitely huge. Okay, definitely they are huge, guys. First point is satisfied. Second one, the creation is heavy on memory. Yeah, more circles means more objects. More objects means more heaviness. Next, the object properties can be divided into intrinsic and extrinsic properties. Intrinsic and extrinsic properties, guys. Come on. Okay, we already identified and we separated it, guys. Okay, this is level 1. Level 2 is development of the factory, boss. SRC, guys, package com.nt.factory. Cool. Their new class. Their new class. I will take it as shape factory. What guys? Shape factor. I'm taking it as what? Shape factor. I'm simply taking it as what? Shape factory, boss. Done. Now tell me what is the story? Private map, guys. String array key. Value is shape. Value is shape. Tell me. Cache map is equal to new hash map of. Hash map is called. Cache map is equal to new hash map of. com.nt.shape, guys. New hash map. Done. I have initialized it itself, guys. I have initialized it itself. Okay. Next. Public static shape. Public static shape, guys. Tell me, guys. Create in a stance or get in a stance. String type. Public static shape, get in a stance, string type. What is that? String type, guys. Tell me here. If type equals ignore case. If type equals ignore case, circle. Type equals ignore case, circle. Oh, but you should not think about creating object. Now you should check whether object is already there or not there. You should check whether object is already there or not there. So what should I do? If not, cache map dot contains key. If not, cache map dot contains key type. In the cache map, if it is not already there. So I will take this one also static, boss. I will take this one also static, my dear. Clear, boss? Okay. If not there, shape is equal to null. If it is not there, guys, if it is not there, if key is not there, if type equals ignore case, circle. Type equals ignore case, circle. Shape is equal to new circle of. Else if type equals ignore case, new square of. Shape is equal to new square of. Else through new illegal argument exception. Invalid shape type. What type, guys? Invalid shape type, guys. Definitely what, guys? Invalid shape type. Invalid shape type. Definitely invalid shape type it is, boss. Okay. After that, what next? Circle, square, invalid shape type. Tell me, guys. If it is already there, okay. If not there, we create object. Then put in object. Create a shape. Shape object based on the type. Based on the type. Yeah. Keep shape object in the cache or buffer. Keep shape object in the cache or buffer. Tell me, boss. Cache map dot put. What is the key? Type is the key. What is the value? Shape is the value. Yes, boss. If it is not there or there, return cache map dot get key. Here key is nothing but type, guys. Key is nothing but type. Yeah, actually you don't believe one object will be created and that object will be used again and again. Tell me, guys, can I say circle class and square class as singleton classes? Can I say circle class and square classes as singleton classes, guys? Speak out, my dear. Can I call them as singleton? No. We are happy with one object. Actually, they allow us to create a number of objects, but we are just happy with one object. Understanding my statement? We are just happy with one object, but actually, they allow us to create many number of objects as they want, right? Okay. Okay, let us assume shape factory dot get instance of circle is called. Circle is there initially, guys? Not there. Circle class object is the type is equal to circle? Yes. Circle class object is created or not? And placed that object in what? Cache. And placed that object in what, guys? Cache. And simply placed that object in cache, boss. What do you say, my dear? Got the clarity, guys? Placed that object in cache. Placed that object in cache. Super. Then what happened? Return cache map dot get type. What happens, guys? It returns a circle object. Second time I ask to draw the circle. Get an instance of circle, guys. If cache map contains key type, if it is a circle, tell me, guys, it is already there or not? Circle is already there. It will try to get the circle object one more time or not. So second time object is created or not created? Not created. Second time object is created or not created? Not created. It is collecting from the cache. Third time I called. Okay, get an instance of circle. Okay, is the circle is there in cache map? Not there. Already there. Already there. It will get the already available object or not. That means one object is used and that object is used a lot of time to draw a lot of circles or not. To draw a lot of circles, same object is used again and again or not, guys? Same object is used again and again or not? Are you comfortable, guys? Understanding my statement? Guys, am I audible? Am I audible? Am I audible, guys? Can you come back? I'm initializing because it's a local variable. I'm initializing it because it's a local variable, boss. Shape is equal to null, boss. Shape is equal to null. Here is my circle. Here is my square. Invalid shape type. Cache map dot put type comma shape, guys. Return cache map dot get type. Done, boss. Tell me next one. Okay, entire flyweight is here only. It's a factory pattern with cache mapping logic, boss. Caching logic. Okay. Always remember one thing. Flyweight design pattern. Flyweight DP is equal to. Flyweight DP is equal to designing classes by identifying intrinsic properties, shareable properties, and comma extrinsic properties plus implementing factory pattern with caching logic. Implementing factory pattern with caching logic, guys. Are you getting my point there, guys? Implementing factory pattern with caching logic. Cool. Got the clarity? Okay. Here is my shape factory, guys. Get in a stance, circle, square, all this stuff. Now let me go for solution, guys. Flyweight solution test, boss. Flyweight DP solution test. Flyweight DP solution test, Rob. Flyweight DP solution test. Come here, come to the solution part, guys. Same thing, drawing circle shapes, drawing square shapes. Okay. Drawing square shape. I try to get a lot of circles here. Circle is equal to shape factory dot get in a stance of circle, guys. Shape factory dot get in a stance of circle. Error. Why so? Add cast to circle. Why should I add a cast, guys? Return type is, did I not take shape as the return type? Okay, got it. Return type is shape type, na? Okay, shape type, but we are getting circle object. Then what should I do? Circle. Typecasting with circle. Done, boss. Shape factory dot square. Square is equal to square dot draw. Square dot draw. Flyweight solution test. Drawing square, guys. How many objects are created? We are create. Okay. How many times constructors are executed here? Zero param constructor, zero param constructor. Have a look. Have a look. Array. Acha, maybe the width is not sufficient, guys. The width is not sufficient to observe the things properly. Okay. Here is my 100. Here is my 100. Okay. Screen scrolled up completely, boss. Yes. Now you observe zero param constructor. Here again you observe zero param constructor. In both places we are having zero param constructor or not? In both places we are having zero param constructor. So how many objects for circle class are created, guys? One object. How many objects for square class is created, guys? Only one object. Sir, I don't want this kind of typecasting also. I don't want to do this kind of typecasting also. Okay. Fine, boss. FlyWeight DP solution with generics. Let me bring generics into picture. I hope everyone noticed generics, guys. Everyone knows generics. Shape factory, guys. Close all editors. Public static shape get in a stance. Here, very interesting thing I do, guys. I'll take return type as a T. I declare T. Return type as T implements shape. T implements shape, guys. First string type comma class T class. String type comma class T class. I hope you understood the point here, guys. What's the intention of these lines? Okay, implements T extends shape is there. What's the problem? Implements syntax implements. Any spell mistake there? Implements she. For 1T brackets is not required. I think this T, first T brackets is not required, guys. Then what's the problem? Implements. Only extends is allowed. T. Okay, he extends. Set return type to shape. Change to constructor. No, boss, I want to work with, I would like to work with this. T declared, cool. T extends shape. What's the problem? I want to have that return type who takes shape, who takes as a return type as the shape, right? Okay, first T not required. Syntax or error, comma expected. Why so? String type, class. Let me change the order now. Cut it, paste it. Cut it, paste it. Syntax on error. No, where I should keep comma? Implements. Acha, this comma problem. Okay. This comma should be a problem. Type equals to this. 1 minute. No, there is no need of, and actually we have to define T somewhere now, boss. We have to define T. Without defining T, can we use T? Without defining T, can we use T? No. What's the problem? Why it is check? First of all, check. Let me check whether my Java properties, Java compiler is pointing to 8 version or not. Okay. Fine. Okay. T implement shape. String comma T implements shape. Reference type 1 expected. No, here somewhere ID is not recognizing things as expected. Wait a minute. Extends it is taking. Extends it is taking. Right. String comma. Method return type should be this. Now you try to define T. When you try to define T, it's giving problem. Yeah. Okay. No, yeah. No, first declaration, then utilization. First declaration, then utilization, if I am not wrong. The method in shape factory can only set to public or private or this. T extends shape. Cache map is, array class is right only, ra. Since class is the keyword, I have used that. Okay. Since class is keyword, I have used that. Theoretically right. Why it is not recognizing? Right. Cache map, when it is not involved with the generic, it is taken perfectly. But when I involve generic, it is not recognizing the things. Okay. Shape, guys. The method instance of shape factory can only set one public or private. Yes, I have said taken private only. Class type must be last param. No such rule, guys. No such rule, if I am not wrong. No such rule. Extra comma. 1 minute. Why it is giving error? Get bean method. Method of application context. Get bean method of application context. Application context. I'm just looking for, okay, get bean method signature. Get mean method signature. Where is get bean, guys? Yeah. TT. First declaration, then this class T required type. That's the one thing. Class T required type. 1 minute, somewhere we are going wrong. Class T required type. TT, this one. T is the declaration, then T is the written type, class T required type. Fine, guys. Okay, now forget about that extends part, guys. Now tell me here. Tell me. If shape equals ignore case, first we will try this. Shape equals ignore case. We cannot create object now. Can we create object for that one now? Not like that. Tell me. Return. Return. Tell me. Class dot get constructors. Get constructors of 0. Wow, how many constructors are there? We don't bother. New instance of no parameter. New instance of okay. New instance of null. New instance of no parameters. Okay. So I don't want to pass any parameter. That's why I go for. Okay. Change my. Okay. That is a T type, guys. What is the T type? Next. Class dot get constructors. Class dot get constructors. So then there is no need of writing this condition also. I will tell why there is no need of writing condition. If it is circle, it will create object for circle. If it is not a circle, it will not create object for circle. So then what? Create shape object based on the type, guys. Create the shape object based on the type, and cache map dot put type comma shape. Oh, here no return statement, guys. Then I should say shape. What is that? Shape S is equal to done. Oh, we are taking return type T. Since we are taking return type as T, what should I do, guys? What should I do? Here T is equal to can we declare TT, guys? T obj is equal to if possible here also, can I put the T there? Okay, fine. We'll keep shape only. Generics boss. Tell me here. Cache map dot put obj. Cache map dot put obj. Yeah. Here it is expecting what, guys? T type. Line number 15. What's there? Here also what we do? T obj is equal to null. T obj is equal. Generics boss. To avoid typecasting, I am doing like this. Here, how to tell that I'm going to put anything, any generic thing over here. I'm going to put any generic thing over here. How to write that one, guys? Okay. Here I should say T. Is it allowed? No. Okay. Here also shape factory T. Okay. Shape factory T. No, there is no need of writing shape factory T, guys. How to write T? Anything? Question mark? Question mark extends shape. Question mark extend shape is allowed. Super boss. Now here also, when it comes to return type, T extends shape is there. No, it is not allowing. So then what should I do? Okay, here T extends shape. Return type is T. Super. T extends shape. Return type is T. Come on. Yeah. Next one. Okay. Right. Add cast to T. That's fine. Now tell me what is that? What is that? What is that? Here I can think I can take shape only. Shape is equal to this. Here what? Shape is equal to this. Here we can put shape is equal to this. What is there? Cache map dot put. Line number 18. What's happening, guys? Why we are not able to work with this one? Cache map dot put. String is there. String is there. Here anything can be referred on. No, their typecasting is required, guys. Okay. Map dot put. Question mark type map dot capture 3 extends and not applicable for argument string comma type. For argument string comma type. Okay. T extends are T implements are, guys. T extends are T implements are. Here also T extends are T implements are. Oh yo. But when I take T implements, it is not allowing Ra Babu. What happened, Ra Babu? Why it is not allowing? Why it is not allowing? Why it is not allowing? Syntax token error. I just want to take key value. I want to take key value by involving generics, guys. I just want to take key value by involving generics. Forget about this. See, already we have a solution code, guys, but I want to write that code with generics. This is my requirement. This is my requirement, boss. Public shape factory. Public shape factory. T implements. T implements shape. It's not allowing. T extends shape. T extends shape. Okay, cool, guys. Tell me next. Private map. String is fixed. String is fixed. String is fixed. T is the other type. Cache map is equal to. Cache map is equal to new hash map of. New hash map of. Right. I have initialized this. I have initialized this. Now tell me next. Public static. Public static. Return type T, guys. Return type T. Get in a stance. String type. Get in a stance, string type. Return type T. Okay. Okay. Cannot make static reference to non-static type. Static reference to non-static type. Oh, this is taking that non-static type. Shape is a class, boss. First of all, tell me. Shape is a class, shape is a interface. If I am not wrong, shape is an interface. Okay. Tell me next one. Right. Tell me here, what is this? T extends. I want to give with the generics, guys. 1 minute. I would like to give with the generics. T extends shape. T extends shape. Return type is this. Here is the return type. Super, guys. What is the reason? Okay. Tell me. Return type is this. Tell me next one. You have to keep the object in the shape now, boss. You have to keep the object in the shape. Shape is equal to null. Shape is equal to null. Shape is equal to something, guys. Shape is equal to okay, based on the type we should create object, right? Based on the type we should create object. Tell me, equals ignore case. Equals ignore case circle. Shape is equal to, tell me, new circle of. Shape is equal to new circle of. Come on. Shape is equal to new circle of. Else if, tell me, type equals ignore case. What is this? Square. Shape is equal to new square of. Else throw new. What is this? Illegal argument exception. Invalid shape, guys. Invalid shape. Tell me next one. Cache map dot put. Cache map dot put. Keep in cache. Next. Create shape object. Cache map dot put, guys. Since it is a static method, here also should be taken as static now, boss. Oh, if it is static, we cannot take T. Ayo. If it is static, we cannot take T. This is the basic problem, guys. So is there any possibility of taking this T as a non-static, guys? If it is static, if it is not static, we cannot pass it as an argument value. Cache map dot put. Cache map dot put. There we are stacking up. 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 If you take non-static, fine. So if I take question mark there, okay, let me take question mark. Type comma shape, guys. Cache map dot put. Type is not applicable for the arguments 1 comma shape. Array T extends shape. Here also I'll say T extends shape. Somewhere we are not taking the things properly, guys. Map dot put capture of extends shape. extends is not applicable for string comma shape. Yeah. What to do, guys? What is the solution for this problem? T extends shape. Map dot put. No, yaar. We have to work out this. We have to work out this. No, somewhere we are stacking up. Somewhere we are stacking up, guys. Let's put method. Put method. Shape value. Put method shape value. What is this? Put if. Put all. Here is my string type. Here is my shape object. Shape object. Shape is there for this. Shape is of this type. And I try for that kind of. I says that you should not involve this. Oh, what's happening, guys? What's happening? Class T class. Wait. Class T class. Return statement. Wait a minute. I don't give up. You also don't give up. I don't give up. You also don't give up. Wait. Somewhere our thought is clear, but our thought is not matching with the execution. Extends shape. Huh? Okay. Right. Now tell me. Yes, concept is clear, but syntax is going wrong. I understood this. Shape is equal to class dot get constructors of 0 dot new instance of empty or null. No parameters. Add cast to shape. No, I don't want to keep shape. That's a problem. Okay, add cast to shape. Okay, throws exception. Fine, no problem. Throws exception. Our return statement anyhow I will add. Now tell me now. Cache map dot put. What is the key type? What is the value? Shape. Extends shape is not applicable for string shape. Oh God, what we can do, Babu? What we can do here? Syntactically, it is not allowing. We are in a great dilemma, na? T extends. 1 minute. T extends shape. Okay, give me 2 minutes time, guys. I'll take the support of next bit little bit. Keeping data in hash map with generics. Hash map with generics. Cache map in generics. Hash map with the generics, guys. Okay. You observe object comma this object comma this. They have taken object kind of thing. Values dot put key comma value. Context runnable key runnable this. Now listen here. What is this improvised code? Object comma object. Okay. Void T class T defined T type, guys. T type value type key comma value. Next one TT. TT anything may come. See what is that is my thought, guys. TT string T class value type. Yeah, see values dot get T. Values dot get T typecasting. Values dot get T this one. Private map class question mark object values hash map of tell me here class T value class T key value key comma value this one context. Yeah, see this public key class type T value this one context dot this one conclusion is given. I think does the last part help us? Key object. But for us, key is fixed, guys. Object is changing time to time. Did you notice that? No, our thought is nice, guys, but syntax, why syntax is not supporting us? Here also, I'll keep empty brackets to avoid the syntactical issues. Here, what is this? T extends, not allowing, we'll keep question mark. After that, what next? Okay. T shape is equal to T shape is equal to add cast to T. Add cast to T. Cache map dot put. What's happening, guys? Internet code is not using static, but here we need the static support. Because without static, there is no meaning of factory method, right? Without static, can we think about static factory pattern? Factory pattern. Can we think about factory pattern, guys? No. Okay, instead of shape, let me think about object here also. Object. Okay. Let me think about object. I think before that also I have used generics only, na? Look at the previous shape factory, guys. Look at the previous shape factory. src factory shape factory.java. Oh, here already I used shape. Fine. Yeah, already used what? Generics only, boss. Here I already used generics only. Then what else we are trying for? Then? This is already with the generics only, na? Maybe some better improvisation I'm looking for. I'm looking for some better improvisation of that code, guys. Map comma shape, cache map this. Okay, I don't want to give up. Give me time. Public static, guys. Public static, guys. Public static, guys. Shape is the return type. No fixed shape is the return type, guys. TT is the return type. Get in a stance. Now I'm looking for what is this? Class T class. Any problem so far? Wait a minute. Add return statement. Add return statement. Okay. Add return statement. No, return null we add it later. First of all, I have to create object, boss. I have to create object. If not, cache map contains key. If not, wait. Once we stuck up, we should not give. Contains key. If not, cache map contains key. Key means here type, guys. Here type. Not there. Okay. Wait. If not there, tell me here what should I do? Tell me here what should I do, guys? Tell me here. Cache map dot put. Cache map dot put. Cache map dot put. Type you keep as it is. Type you keep as it is. Class dot get declared constructors dot get declared constructors of get of 0 dot new instance 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 of. Yes, boss. Here is what? Throws exception. Here is throws exception, guys. Right, boss. Now tell me next. Return cache map dot get. Cache map dot get. What is this? Type. Cache map dot get type, guys. Cache map dot get type. Okay. Add cast to T, boss. Add cast to T. I think you understood, guys. I think now we got it. Don't give up, because core Java level everything looks simple, but when you put real practice, real problems will come out, guys. Right? Now listen. com.nt dot not this. Okay. com.nt dot test solution, guys. Here, what is the story? What is the story? Okay. Argument to get in a stance T. Yeah, here we have to write what? Circle dot class. Come on. Circle dot class. Is it going to return what object? Circle class object only. No need of typecasting. Square dot class. Array, we spend time these concepts in core Java level also, Spring level also. Okay. Comma square dot class. Control plus shift plus O. What is the next one? Next one is square only, na? Square. Square only. Right. Is there any need of going for typecasting, guys? No, boss. Yeah, it's all about throwing exception, guys. Don't worry. Try here. Catch exception E. It's all about exception handling problem, guys. Okay, it's nowhere related to this. Try here. Catch guys, exception E dot print stack trace guys. FlyWeight DP Java application. Yeah, same effect is coming or not? How many objects for square? One. How many objects for circle? Only one. At least when things are not going in our way, you should not give up. Okay, now observe shape factory code, guys. Now you observe shape factory code. String type fixed, guys. T declare T is taken as return type. T is declared, T is taken as return type. Come on. T is declared, T is taken as return type. What do you say, guys? Okay, just a minute. This improvisation is possible or not possible? Let me check. Extends shape. Yeah, even this is also possible. Why? Because it should have only shape related things as the return type, guys. Come on. You can pass shape or subclasses of shape. Shape or related classes of shape will be the return type. Will be the return type. Come on. Next. Question mark extends. Question mark extends shape. Possible or not possible? Okay, this is not allowing. Okay. When you put that one here, this put method is giving problem. Yeah, this class is required, guys. Why? Array, if we pass circle, shape factory is becoming ready to create what? Circle class object. Shape factory, this is becoming ready to create circle class object. Understanding my statement, guys? If you pass square, it becoming ready to create square class object. What do you say, boss? Okay, this is the key and this is the shape class object, boss. One is the key, one is the shape class object. What do you say, boss? Happening or not happening? Right. So here also I mentioned T is not an issue. Now let's have a, yeah, how many circles, how many this one? Everything is taking dynamically or not? I think the people are having good grip in the generics. They might have understood what I am doing here. They might have understood what I am doing here. Come on, guys. Okay. They might have understood what I am doing here. Just a question mark. No. Shape only should be taken up. Fine. I'll take shape. Fine, boss. This is the code of FlyWeight. Example code. I'll give both. Example code, guys. Example code. Any change in the component class and concrete classes, guys? Is there any change in the component interface and concrete classes? No change. Here is my class 2. Concrete classes, no change, guys. Yeah, shape factory. Shape factory. Shape factory, guys. What is the shape factory? Okay. Shape factory. Okay. With generic methods. Generic params. With generic params. Nowadays trend is generic params. Okay, shape factory. DP solution test, guys. Client application, boss. Here is my client application. Say paste. Here is my client application. Cool, guys. Next, shape factory. Shape factory without generic methods. Shape factory without generic methods. Shape factory without generic methods, guys. FlyWeight DP solution. Client application without generics. Client application without generics. Which is good, guys? With generic methods is best or not? Best. With the generic methods is the best. Guys, got it? Short and sweet. Array, don't confuse. In singleton also we have used all the logic. Get a declared constructor of 0 dot new instance of null means it will execute 0 param constructor dynamically, dynamic object creation. Remember that? Fine. With this, FlyWeight design pattern is completed. 1 minute. Before that, we will see where exactly FlyWeight design pattern is there in predefined classes. Already getBean method. GetBean method of Spring is designed based on FlyWeight pattern or not? Simply based on FlyWeight pattern. What do you say, guys? Here is my FlyWeight. Array, this value of methods also FlyWeight, guys. Without creating object, they are converting one form of object to another form of object. Right. Real classes, guys. Real classes of FlyWeight. Real classes of FlyWeight pattern. Real classes of FlyWeight pattern, guys. Right. Recognized by creational method returning cached instance. Bit multition. What is that? Multition idea. Multition idea means create once, use for multiple time. Tell me, integer dot value of int. Listen, it converts a given int into integer, given simple int into Vapor class object. But how many objects of Vapor class will be created? Are you going to create every time one separate object, guys? No. No. If 2 times same value is passed, it internally creates one object only. Come on. It internally creates one object only. Are you getting my point? It internally maintains small pool kind of thing or not? Boolean, byte, character, short. Okay, long, big decimal. In all the places, value of method is that only, boss. Next, Spring IOC container. While maintaining singleton scope, Spring Bean class objects. Singleton scope, Spring Bean class objects. Spring Bean classes objects. In the internal objects as the cached objects. No, Hibernate cache is different, guys. As the cached object. I hope you got the clarity, boss. Thank you. Have a nice time. Tomorrow when we meet, we will discuss.